As of 2024, persons with disabilities employed in public service are at 1.8%, which is below the threshold of 5% at a bigger margin. But today, we're sitting here in a workshop organized by ILO to capacity build employers and try to fix these gaps that are making institutions not bring employment of persons with disabilities up to the 5% as required. So one of the things that the new act is giving us is powers to ensure accessibility, access to these opportunities and access to these facilities is a little bit difficult, hindering employment of persons with disabilities. Number two, from what we saw back in 2019 from a report by KNBS, only 19% of persons with disabilities at least have education until secondary school. So it is something that we are trying to come up, ensuring that all our scholarships transition learners from primary school to high school to universities so that they can get these skills they require to then transition to the job market.
So UNICEF's mandate in terms of employment and employment space is to ensure that the employers have providing decent work, especially for the caregivers and in particular mothers, on their timing, when they report and when they go back, and also where they're able to leave their children. So a few of the things that we're advocating for is workspace, like a creche, where the parents are able to leave their children where they are working, and also generally to be in compliance with the Employment Act.
Challenges are there. There are certain employers that cannot be able to afford facilities that are required to create that enabling environment that I was talking about. Look at even some of the buildings that we have. The structure, the architectural work is not favoring those with a disability.
Tumepata vyama fulani vikikuja na hizo issue kwamba kuna walemavu ambao wamekuwa discriminated kwa sababu hawajapata kazi. Na wameenda paka hata kotini wakakuwa awarded kwa sababu labda umekuwa discriminated kwa sababu haujapewa opportunity kama mfanyikazi mwingine, ama wakati uliangaliwa ukitafuta kazi ukawekwa kando kwa sababu ya ulemavu wako. Hivi vyama ambavyo viko chini ya kotu vimeenda kotini, kuna vimeenda kotini na wafanyikazi wamekuwa awarded.